Good morning, children. Today we will study about rectilinear propagation of light. The tendency of light to travel in a straight line is known as rectilinear propagation of light. Let us perform one activity. For this activity, we can use a piece of pipe or a long rubber tube. We can light a candle and fix it on a table at one end of the room. Now standing at other end of the room, you have to look at the candle through the pipe. You will find that candle is visible now. Now you have to turn the pipe a little to your left or right and again try to see the candle flame through it. In this case, you won't be able to see the flame. Thus, this activity proves that light moves in a straight line. That is, it cannot bend around an obstruction. Otherwise, you would have been able to see the flame even through a bent tube. This tendency of light to travel in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. A pinhole camera is a simple application of rectilinear propagation of light. The pinhole camera works on the principle that light travels in a straight line. The image formed by a pinhole camera is real, inverted and diminished in size when compared to the original object. Pinhole camera is inexpensive and is easy to make. Let us learn to make a pinhole camera through one activity. For this, you may take two boxes of cardboard such that one can slide into another with no gap in between. I could not get rectangular boxes, so I have taken cylindrical tube. You have to take two cylindrical tubes. If you don't get two cylindrical tubes, you can make it by using chart paper. One side of each cylindrical tube is to be kept open. On the opposite face of the larger cylindrical tube, paste a piece of black chart paper and make a small hole in it with a sharp needle. This hole must be very small. I have taken another cylindrical tube of such size that it fits into the tube and can be rolled or slided in and out easily. You have to place a sheet of butter paper or tracing paper on one side of the inner cylindrical tube. You have to put the inner cylindrical tube inside outer cylindrical tube in such a way that butter paper part face the outer cylindrical tube where the hole has been pierced. Your pinhole camera is ready for use. Now, holding the pinhole camera, look through the open face of the smaller tube. Now you try to look at some distant objects like a tree or a building through the pinhole camera. Make sure that the objects you wish to look are in bright sun. You have to move the inner cylindrical tube forward or backward till you get a sharp image of the object on the tracing paper. Are these pinhole images different from their shadows? Yes. The picture seen in the pinhole camera doesn't show the color of the object on the other side. And the images are not erect. These are upside down, or we say the images are inverted. There is an interesting pinhole camera in nature also. Sometimes when we pass under a tree covered with large number of leaves, we notice some patches of sunlight under it. These circular images are in fact pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves act as the pinholes These gaps are all kinds of irregular shapes, but we can see circular images of the sun. So, you all can make a pinhole camera at home, okay? Hope before the third video you all will be ready with your pinhole camera. Thank you, children.